Skylar Pearson with Transforming Images is here to educate you on how easy it is to freeze away your fat with a non-invasive procedure called Coolsculpting. I love that we're given the definition there, Skylar, but welcome back to the show. Let's go a little bit more in depth. What exactly is Coolsculpting?
It's an FDA-cleared non-invasive alternative to liposuction.
So non-invasive, again, is one of the words that sticks out there because liposuction, there's some big downtime.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What
With
kind of
Coolsculpting, there's no downtime.
None.
None. It could be a little bit tender to the touch in the area, but we're not going into the body. So we're freezing and crystallizing the fat cells underneath the skin with a vacuum and controlled cooling panel.
Oh, I'm going to say, so how does it work exactly? What do you feel during the procedure?
So you feel a mild pinching and tugging at first, but it's just a discomfort. It's not like painful or anything. It's just discomfort that you're feeling for the first 5 to 8 minutes, and then cold naturally numbs you. So like if you fall down and you're bruised in that area and you want to put ice there,
yeah,
ice eventually numbs you. So the cold naturally numbs you within the first 5 to 10 minutes.
So you do get to that point, and
where you don't feel anything,
which is always a positive during procedures. But the results, how are the results compared to liposuction?
So the results are awesome. When we're talking this, we're placing these applicators to where they hone in on a certain spot. So like it's either bra area, arms, abdomen, love handles, those areas where diet and exercise just don't tend to work in those areas.
What's up with that?
It's diet and exercise resistant fat, and that's why Coolsculpting's in business. So what we're doing is we're freezing and crystallizing those pockets, and you're looking at about a 25 to 30% reduction with this one treatment. If somebody comes in and stacks them 4 to 6 weeks apart from each other, you're looking at more of a 60% reduction.
So is that something that you recommend, that people have
some
more
people
than one
do,
treatment?
some people don't. It varies on that person. So when you're coming in, we're really looking at the shape of the body, where that fat is, and I'm really letting them know how many treatments they're going to need to get that ultimate result.
You know, you're educating me on the procedure right now, but say a patient comes in and isn't really sure what they need done. They know what they want to look like, or they know what they don't want to look like. How does that work, that you're able to let them know what they need done? How many treatments?
So we do a full 360 panel on them. We go over medical history and make sure there's no indications of if we can or can't treat them right then and there. We're figuring out if they've got loose skin or if it's fat that we can actually treat. So we can also do skin tightening. Some people get loose skin confused with fat. So we're trying to figure out if it's loose skin there or if it's fat, so we can treat both.
Interesting. So you talked about being able to do two different treatments. What other treatments are you able to provide?
We do everything from cellulite reduction, scar reduction, stretch mark reduction, teeth whitening. Yeah, we're a one-stop shop.
One-stop shop to looking your best.
Absolutely.
How are you able to do, you talked about the cellulite reduction, scars. What kind of technology is involved with some of those treatments?
So with scars, we can use radio frequency that's a little bit invasive. So there's a little bit of downtime with that, but with everything else that we do is non-invasive.
Well, let's be honest. The Coolsculpting is what has taken the headlines these days. People are really loving it. And I know right now, if you get a call, you're giving a special offer. You're hooking up our viewers.
Great offer right now. So we're doing buy any 3 areas. You're going to get that 4th one free. You're also going to get 6 free skin tightenings to go in the area where we're doing that fat reduction. Or we're going to do 1 cellulite reduction treatment. So
again, it goes back to that one-stop shop. And of course, you can see the code word there. Skylar,
yep,
the code word. My name. He's been laughing about that one, so there you go. Use the code word. Of course, there's the information on your screen. As always, Skylar, thanks for coming in.
Yep, thanks for having me.